we'll do this passage, which is the rocket from east to west. This passage discusses about different kinds of rockets of different countries. What we have to do over here is, see, you have to locate where is it talking about Greek pigeon of Archytas in the passage. Then you have to read the characteristics of the rockets of the Greek pigeon of Archytas, and after reading the characteristics, you have to match it with one of the choices over here. Got it? So find the rocket type, read the characteristics of the rockets, come back and try to match it with one of the choices over here. If you can find that there are two scales given over here, okay, on either side. Let's try to understand the first one, which is given as an example. The Greek pigeon of Archytas. Why is it marked as C? Let's understand. Let's search for Greek pigeon of Archytas. I'll do this one. See, the Greek pigeon of Archytas is written over here. The pigeon of Archytas. And what is written? It is cylindrical in shape, made of wood and hanging from a string. It was moved to and fro by a stream blowing out from small exhaust ports at either end. So it is hanging from a string. It is made of wood, cylindrical in shape, hanging from a string, and it moves to and fro. So when you come to the figures over here, this one is showing moving to and fro, right? This one is octagonal in shape and it's hanging from a string. That's the reason why it is labeled as C. Now let's search for the second one. The second one is Chinese basket of fire. So let's search for it. See, usually the questions, I think you all must have realized by this time that the questions are in sequence, if you all have observed until now. Okay. So since the first one is over here, the second one will come after it. So we'll search it somewhere here. You find basket of fire. So read what's written. It is 0.7 meter long arrows, each with a long tube of gunpowder attached near the point of each arrow, and is octagonal shaped basket. So first of all, it is octagonal shaped. Then it has 0.7 meter long arrows, each with a long tube of gunpowder attached near the point of each arrow. Let's search. Now tell me. Guys, only one of them has 0.7 meter long arrow. Which one is that? First of all, when it says octagonal in shape, see, there are only two octagonal in shapes, right? The answer can be either B or D because it says octagonal in shape. Only these two are octagonal. Out of these two, these are the arrows that we have, right? Which one has 0.7 meters long arrow? If you mark it from this one, you can find that this one is more than even 1 meter, right? This is more than 0 to 1. If you mark it from here. So which one is 0.7? This is 0.7. It is smaller than this 0 to 1 mark. Can you all see this? And near the arrowhead it has gunpowder. That thing. Getting it, all of you? The answer should be B, right? Good. Good. Let's go for the next one. The Arab egg which moves and burns. Where is it? Last line, right? Good. Here it is, the egg which moves and burns. So what is written? The egg was apparently full of gunpowder and stabilized by a 1.5 meter tail. So this one has 1.5 meter tail and is full of gunpowder. And it was fired using two rockets attached to either side of this tail. So it has two rockets attached to either side of its tail. And it is 1.5 meter long. So which one is it? Only one of them has rockets attached to either side, right? Which is E. And the tail is 1.5 meter long. Yes. The answer is E. Now the next comes the Great Indian Rocket. Let's search for the Indian rocket. So here is Indian rocket, right? The Indian rocket. So what's written? It's an iron envelope about 200 millimeters long and 40 millimeters in diameter with sharp points at the end and a 3-meter long bamboo guiding stick. So the bamboo guiding stick is 3-meter long. Okay, and it has sharp points. In millimeters, we cannot find it in the scale that is given to us. The scale is in meters, right? So we have to go with this one. 3 meters long bamboo guiding stick. Which one has 3 meters long bamboo guiding stick? F. Good. All of you. So F has 3 meters long bamboo guiding stick, right? This is the bamboo guiding stick. So this is 3 meters long in the case of F. Good. The next is British barrage rocket. Let's search for this one. So just where it ends begins the British rocket, right? Here begins the British rocket. So read it, what's written over here. So what does it say? It is completely encased in a stout iron cylinder terminating in a conical head, measuring 1 meter in diameter and having a stick almost 5 meters long. So Indian has 3 meters long bamboo guiding stick. This one has 5 meters long bamboo guiding stick. Okay. And constructed in such a way that it could be firmly attached to the body of the rocket. Okay, firmly attached to the body of the rocket and 5 meters long bamboo guiding stick. Which one is it? G, right? Good. The answer is G. So guys, with this we are done with all the question types for the reading module.